Chase Freedom Rise credit card, worth it or leave it? What if the very first credit card you open could quietly set you up for a stronger financial future without trapping you in high fees or confusing rules? That is exactly what the Chase Freedom Rise card is designed to do, and most people get this card wrong because they think it is only for beginners. The surprising truth is that this card can be the smart long-term tool even after your credit improves. Chase Freedom Rise is built for people with little or no credit history. Unlike many starter cards, it does not require a security deposit, and it has no annual fee. That alone makes it stand out in 2025, when many beginner cards still charge yearly fees just for access. You earn cash back on every purchase. Dining and drugstore purchases earn higher rewards, while everything else earns a base rate. It may not sound dramatic, but for a starter card, this is powerful. Most starter cards offer no rewards at all. Over a year of normal spending, even modest cash back can add up to $50, $100, or even $200 in free money. Another feature that surprises many people is automatic credit line review. After consistent on-time payments, Chase may increase your limit, which lowers your credit utilization and helps your credit score grow faster. You won't believe what happens next, because many users see noticeable score increases within 6 to 12 months of responsible use. Chase also includes fraud protection, purchase monitoring, and mobile app tools that make tracking your spending simple. These tools teach healthy financial habits, which is exactly what a starter card should do. Now for the downsides. The Freedom Rise does not include travel perks, lounge access, or premium insurance coverage. It is meant to be a foundation card, not a luxury card. Also, interest rates are high if you carry a balance, so paying in full each month is essential. Who should get this card? If you are building your first credit profile, rebuilding after a setback, or helping a young adult start responsibly, this is one of the safest and smartest choices available in 2025. So is it worth it or should you leave it? For beginners, it is absolutely worth it. It builds your credit, gives you rewards, and does it all with no annual fee. That is exactly what a starter card should be.